Stop trading your sleep for a paycheck. Most people are working 40 hours a week just to stay afloat. But in 2026, the solopreneur era has officially changed the rules. I've spent months testing what actually pays and what is just noise. Today, I'm giving you the 5-step blueprint I'd use to start from $0. No fluff, no scams, just systems that work while you're offline. Passive income isn't free money, it's delayed reward. You do the work once, and the digital asset does the work forever. In 2026, tools like no-code and AI have made this accessible for everyone. Whether you have a full-time job or you're a student, this fits your schedule. By the end of this video, you'll have 5 actionable business models. If you had an extra $1,000 coming in every month, what's the first bill you'd cancel? 1. AI-enhanced micro-learning. People don't want 20-hour courses anymore. They want micro-learning. Create a 15-minute mini course or a 10-page cheat sheet for a specific problem. Think how to fix your credit score or 3 meals to prep in 30 minutes. Use platforms like Gumroad or StanStore to automate the delivery. Open your Notes app and list 3 problems you've solved for yourself this year. 2. The niche community subscription model. In 2026, connection is the most valuable currency online. Start a private group on Discord or School for people with a shared goal. Even 50 people paying $10 a month is a steady $500 monthly stream. You don't need to be an expert, you just need to be the moderator. Identify a hobby you love and find one Facebook group related to it. What's a hobby you spend way too much time or money on? 3. Faceless utility channels. YouTube isn't just for vloggers anymore, it's a search engine. Create utility content, tutorials, stock footage, or relaxing background sounds. Use AI voiceovers and stock clips to produce high-quality videos without a camera. These videos earn ad revenue for years because they solve specific searches. Search a how-to topic on YouTube and see if the top video is faceless. 4. SaaS Lite, no-code tools. You don't need to be a coder to build a software solution today. Use no-code builders to create a simple directory, a calculator, or a template. Think of a wedding budget calculator or a fitness tracker in Notion. Sell these as one-time downloads or low-cost monthly subscriptions. Go to notion.so and browse their template gallery for inspiration. What's an app you wish existed but you haven't found yet? 5. High-yield automated investing. This is the ultimate set it and forget it strategy for 2026. Move your emergency fund to a high-yield savings account, HYSA. Set up an auto-invest feature to buy index funds every Monday morning. Even $20 a week grows into a massive safety net thanks to compound interest. Open your banking app and check your current interest rate. The biggest risk in 2026 is having only one source of income. You don't need to do all 5. Just pick the one that feels the most you. Consistency is the only secret that actually exists in this industry. Start with the action steps I gave you, and don't look back. If you're ready to start, comment "I'm in" below to lock in your commitment. Subscribe to stay updated on the best ways to build your freedom. I'll see you in the next video.